छोटे गोन विलेज कॉल्ड पेंजोर में
But what a name, Panjor.
Panjor,
Because it
yeah.
sounds like you could give it as a gun.
हाँ exactly. I'd seen मैं नहीं तो कौन. हमारा थोड़ा older brother, younger sister type vibe है. So I wanted someone to call me on my bullshit the entire movie.
One time he was बहुत सेट पे
हाँ जी.
चिल्लम चिल्ली कर रहे थे
पहली बार.
पहली
should
बार
clarify.
मेरे सामने पहली बार तो वो बहुत
Actually पहली
मुझे क्या पता
बार.
तो फिर मैंने उनको बोला कि आप एकदम ऐसा भड़के हुए ऐसा सड़ेले आदमी जैसे कर रहे हो जैसे टिपिकल
No, you also said वीर भैया आपको हार्ट अटैक होने वाला है. I cost less than the catering budget of Dhurandhar.
I enjoyed the fact that I could slap Veer Das.
My God. Oh my God.
You have been where many people on Twitter want to go.
दोस्तों 2026 is here and I just want to say recently we got two great spies, Hamza Mazari and Happy Patel.
Same grade of guys.
I think so. It's amazing. I mean, let's just say at least on trend तो तुम हमेशा से थे वीर दास, मुबारक हो.
You realize I cost less than the catering budget of Dhurandhar. कितनी छोटी सी स्वीट सी फिल्म है.
बिल्कुल यार.
उनका वर्ल्ड वाइड जियोपॉलिटिक्स है. मेरा एक छोटे गोन विलेज कॉल्ड पेंजोर में.
But what a name, Panjor.
Panjor,
Because it
yeah.
sounds like you could give it as a gun.
हाँ exactly. So when the whole crowd screams Panjor.
It's great. So let me start off by saying welcome to Just Two Filmy. Veer
Hello.
Das, Shrishti, Mithila. Thank you so much for joining me, guys.
Thank you.
It's amazing. What a great note to start this year on, because I would like to go into this year smiling and laughing.
Yes.
You know, we all need a lot more laughs in
Yes.
life, and you're giving us just that. I want to start with you, Veer. I know that this film has been like your North Star for
Yeah,
a while
for a
now.
while, for a
and जितने सक्षम आप हैं, you know, आपने जितने stages पर perform किया है, वो सब एक तरफ है. But ये film बहुत ज़रूरी थी for you personally. So let's start with that. कि ये film बनाना as a director क्यों important था?
Co-director with Kavi Shastri,
Yeah.
who I make everything with. But हर चीज का टाइम होता है. I think जब मैंने लिखी ना तो it was an Indian spy movie, and क्योंकि one of my favorite films Johnny English है, तो I was like one Johnny English meets Indian spy would be very nice. But जब मैंने लिखी there was no Pathan, there was no war, there was no Tiger, there was no Dhurandhar. तो कल्चर ही नहीं है तो काउंटर कल्चर कहाँ से आएगा?
हाँ,
कॉमेडी तो काउंटर कल्चर है.
बिल्कुल.
तो आई थिंक फाइनली 2 साल पहले मैंने ये आइडिया अपने शेल्फ से निकाली एंड देन आई रीरोट द होल थिंग बेसिस व्हाट आई वाज सीइंग हैपनिंग. मुझको ये जॉनरा पसंद है बिकॉज कॉमेडी के लिए चाहिए क्या आपको? हाई स्टेक्स, राइट? वो आपको हॉरर में मिलती है और एक्शन में मिलती है, एंड नोबडी हैज हायर स्टेक्स देन अ स्पाई.
Correct.
सो आई रियली लाइक इट, एंड एट सम लेवल क्यों ये कहानी मेरे अंदर से आती है, इट इज अबाउट अ एनआरआई जो
Or
इंडिया
as you say in the trailer, NRI.
इंडिया आता है
Correct.
एंड गेट्स एवरीथिंग रॉन्ग, और मॉडर्न इंडिया उसको झापड़ देता है बार बार और रिप्लाई देता है कि नहीं हम ये हैं, आपका पूरा ट्रेनिंग गलत है, एंड ही डिस्कवर्स व्हाट इट मीन्स टू बी ट्रूली इंडियन, एंड दैट इज समथिंग आई रिलेट टू ट्रेमेंडसली.
Yeah, because two Indias आपसे बेहतर कौन जानता है? Das, let's put it that way. This is amazing. I do also want to acknowledge the fact that you have two amazing girls as part of this film. So congratulations. I want to ask if casting choice with Shrishti, you know, when that actually happened, because I remember when she broke out through Hustle,
Yeah.
you know, everybody wanted a piece of Shrishti. Is that when it happened?
No, I had seen the song. So firstly, I want to clarify: this film is mostly women. If you think about it, there are only 4 men in this movie. Meri villain is Mona Singh, a badass murderer. Shrishti मेरी weapons expert है, so designing this thing. Mithila is the most violent person in the film. 4 choreographed fight action sequences and proper action hero in the movie. I make sandwiches and do ballet. So with Shrishti, I'd seen मैं नहीं तो कौन, and what I wanted was हमारा थोड़ा older brother, younger sister type vibe है. So I wanted someone to call me on my bullshit the entire movie. So she's that person in the
Yeah.
movie.
And is she like that in real life? Or she's Saiga?
I think only once or twice I've done that to him. One time he was बहुत सेट पे
हाँ जी.
चिल्लम चिल्ली कर रहे थे
पहली बार. I
पहली
should
बार
clarify.
मेरे सामने पहली बार तो वो बहुत
Actually पहली बार.
मुझे क्या पता
It's not like मैं अरे सुशी चली गई.
तो वो ऐसा चिल्लम चिल्ली हो रही थी और मेरे को लगा कि ये तो मेरा आइडल है, ये ऐसे क्यों कर रहा है. तो फिर मैंने उनको बोला कि आप एकदम ऐसा भड़के हुए ऐसा सड़ेले आदमी जैसे कर रहे हो, जैसे टिपिकल
नहीं, you
सड़ेले
also
आदमी.
said वीर भैया आपको हार्ट अटैक होने वाला है.
Oh my god.
तो उन्होंने बोला कि
And then once मैंने आपको गाना सुनाया और आपने बोला is terrible. You were very honest with me. Which I like.
Nice, nice. But where does that come from? I mean, let me put it this way. एक तो आपका गाना है, दूसरी तरफ there's also an element of comedy in your music. When I saw you in the trailer of the film, I said, actually, yeah, this is a great fit because she's also very, very smart and funny, right?
Yeah.
So for you, you could be intimidated, you know, with somebody who's reached like the peak when it comes to stand-up comedy. But where does this fearlessness come from?
I'm not trying to reach the same place. I'm like I idolize him in a way कि I love the way he thinks.
Yeah.
So I don't want to be the best comedian or I don't want to write jokes the way he writes jokes or as much. I don't want to perform stand-up as much as he wants to. That's not, none of those are my goals. My goal is that I want to be able to think like him. तो वो तो मतलब उसमें क्या है का fear.
क्या बात है. I love it.
And there's a comfort with her just delivery. Like, you know, the first time we meet her, she's like, hey, chal Dev Patel, chal mere saath, right? And then there's a lovely line where she looks at me and I'm like, do you know where Britain is? And she says, तू Britain को छोड़ दे, तू गोवा में है. पूरा इंडिया गोवा में आता है रे हैप्पी होने के लिए. तो तू इंडिया में है, मतलब तू इंडिया के अंदर है और इंडिया तेरे अंदर है. Right now, it's a very simple line. It's not a very tough write or etc. There's a very emo way to do that line.
Yeah.
There is a very judgmental way to do that line. But for someone who's 16 to just be confident and say it like she says it every day, it's not an easy thing for an actor to do.
Correct, absolutely.
To deliver that just very naturally and very throwaway. She's able to do that.
मुझे तो बहुत है अभी डर लग रहा है कि सिर्फ इनको ही लग रहा है कि ऐसा कि अच्छा किया है.
नहीं, वो सीन काटते हैं हमने, but no.
And Mithila, it's so nice to see you on a big screen again.
Yes.
It's lovely. It's lovely. Are you excited about the release in the theatrical?
I am very excited. Do you know that this is my first Hindi film after Karma that's coming out in the theaters, and it's still something to see yourself on the 70mm, man.
Of
So I'm
course.
very, very excited.
Of course. And we are very happy to see you on 70mm.
Thanks.
बड़े बड़े होठ दिखने चाहिए सबके भाई, है ना? That's amazing. And here you are, you're giving him a tough time because Happy Patel जो भी हो वो तुम्हारे सामने आके वो एकदम हक्का बक्का हो जाता है. Is that correct?
That is very correct.
And how easy is it to be aware of your beauty and then downplay it, because that's what I see you doing. It's true.
In this film?
Yeah.
She's very beautiful in this film. If I
No,
can say.
downplay the fact she knows she's beautiful, but she doesn't take that at all. She's like, I know I'm beautiful. आगे बोलो. And I love that attitude. What was that like?
This is the first time someone has said that to me, so I don't think I did that very consciously actually. I was more focused on making sure that I slap him and don't laugh.
Nice. Okay.
Out of guilt. So I guess I enjoyed the fact that I could slap Veer Das.
My God. Oh my God.
You have been where many people on Twitter want to go.
So on behalf of no.
But I should clarify, जो ये थप्पड़ मारती है, the sweet thing about this thing is, मैं इनको चाहता हूँ, ये मुझको चाहती हैं, but जब भी मैं इनको छूता हूँ, इनका reflex action है एक थप्पड़. So it's not anger actually.
self-defense.
It's self-defense of years of self-defense. So when I touch her, she's like, "Ghar pe mama nahi gaya," and thappad comes. So the comedy of the film is two people who want each other but can't touch each other
Oh wow, this is so fun.
because a slap is in the way.
This is so fun. आज वीरदास हमें सच बता ही दो कि आप पर आरोप है कि आपके फिल्म के ट्रेलर में आपने बहुत मर्दों का इस्तेमाल किया है और वो मर्द है इमरान खान और आमिर खान.
जी बिल्कुल.
क्या ये
अलावा आई एम नॉट इंक्लूडेड इन द मर्द लिस्ट. आप जो पपी डॉग हैं, आपने ये अल्फा
मर्दों का इस्तेमाल जो आपने किया है earlier, I love how you've been subverting everything because earlier we used to use women for that.
Yeah.
Thank you, kudos to you for using the men as the
As
what do they
the-
call it? The
Clickbaits.
item numbers
As
or the
the-
clickbaits.
to cater to the female gaze.
Yes, thank you so much. We are very happy about it. Also, Imran Khan के fans पागल हो रहे हैं. Let's take a second and acknowledge that. Also, what have we ripped open when he was actually doing his movies? हमने काफी खिल्ली उड़ाई थी इमरान खान की.
Yeah,
मुझे
we
याद
were
है.
not very
We
great
were
to
not
him.
very kind to
Yeah,
Imran.
yeah.
There were films like Luck, for example, I remember.
Sure.
And he was so gracious about it in this phase where he's coming out and talking about it, where he's saying that there could have been films that I may not have been great in, but yet there is an audience love for me that is unbelievable.
Yeah.
So I want to go back to that moment where I believe he called you and he
He
said,
messaged me.
Yeah.
तो इमरान text करता है and he's not even on WhatsApp. So he texted me a month before shooting saying, I believe narrations are good, pre-prod is good. Can I pop into the movie? I was like, are you serious? Because if you do, I'll write you something. I'll write a character for you. And then we have to do something you've not done before. And so I wrote him a character called International Supermodel Milind Moria.
love it. Yes.
And that's who Imran plays.
That's amazing. And
And-
of course with Amir is the same thing.
Amir is Jimmy Mario. And Amir gets you into the movie. And Amir is the legendary Don of Goa.
Oh,
And Mona takes over his empire.
oh wow.
So,
And I remember that Delhi Belly, there is too much love for Delhi Belly that is also being ripped open right now.
yeah, I think ये जो I keep clarifying this, but जब Delhi Belly आई ना तो सिनेमा थोड़ी सॉफ्ट थी. गुजारिश जिंदगी हम ना मिलेगी दोबारा, परिणीता had just come out, तो हम गालियों के साथ आए और पॉटी के साथ आए, तो we popped a little bit. अभी हम पाताल लोक में जी रहे हैं. We live in मिर्जापुर
बिल्कुल.
and this land जो थोड़ी हार्ड है, तो हमारी फिल्म थोड़ी सॉफ्ट है, हमारी गालियाँ थोड़ी सॉफ्ट है और हमारी फिल्म थोड़ी सिली और स्टूपिड है, which I think we need. Comedy is counter to what culture is.
So true. और क्या अल्फा मेल कटाक्ष है?
हमारे गाने में गाना है अल्फा मेल एंड लिरिक्स है बारी बरसी खटंगे आसी डोले शोले दारू अंद लासी खटके ले आंदा पतासा इमोशन को मारे तमाचा मैं हूँ अल्फा मेल.
मैं हूँ अल्फा मेल.
राइट. और इसमें मैं लंबे बाल और दाढ़ी के साथ बैले कर रहा हूँ और सैंडविचेस बना रहा हूँ.
Oh my God. Okay,
Yeah.
let's quickly take it to comedy. I think that there's a lot between the three of you all. You all can teach us about comedy. What is your most invaluable lesson about being funny on camera that you've learned on this?
That he actually keeps repeating that you don't deliberately be funny, just read your lines. In
You don't know you are in a comedy.
yeah.
That is the most invaluable
So you
lesson.
believe in
Mm.
the universe and you this is real for you.
Correct.
It'll just play out funny on its
Oh,
own.
yes,
So
sir.
don't play the comedy.
Okay, so you play it straight. It's not funny to you.
Yeah.
That's when it'll be funny to somebody
Yes.
else.
Yes.
For you?
For me, since this is my first acting experience, I didn't know what I was doing.
Okay.
I don't have a mantra कि ये करूँगी तो perfect हो जाएगा. मुझे पता ही नहीं मैंने किया क्या अब तक. तो क्या बताऊँ मैं फिर, मुझे पता ही नहीं है.
अच्छा, तो देख के पता चले.
No wins. You can't win. Take a character, and if you want them to be funny, they have to lose. And they have to continue to lose, and they have to come close to what they want, and you can never give them what they want. Until the final, this thing where they've been beaten so much, you watch them lose so much that you will go insane until they get what they want. That's when you give them what they want. So the key to a action comedy hero is he has to lose.
Yes.
Lose until he doesn't lose.
Oh my God. And how tough is it to direct yourself?
Well, I've got Kavi Shastri, who you know very well, as my co-director. We have met as background extras on Love Aajkal, and we've worked on everything I've ever done. It's brutal, yeah, to have Kavi behind the monitor because he's nice with Mithila, he's nice with this thing. So, our system is I'll draw the movie. I wrote, and then I'll hand draw every frame of the movie. I'll storyboard it, and then we know what we're shooting. I'll come in, मेरा एक understudy है, and I'll watch a rehearsal with my understudy.
Okay.
So Kavi and I will both look at it behind the monitor उसके बाद मैं मॉनिटर के देन आई गो ऑन कैमरा. फिर मैं मॉनिटर के पीछे नहीं आता हूँ बिकॉज आई नो कवीज विजुअली गॉट इट. एंड देन Kavi will be like, Mithila, lovely, Shushti, lovely, Veer, scrap, do something else.
Okay.
And I like that.
Yeah.
A good comedy director tells you when it's not funny.
Sure. Of
And
course.
he knows that I won't take it personally and that I'll do something else.
Who's harder to argue with? Is it Veer Das the director? Is it Veer Das the actor? Or is it Veer Das the comedian?
Oh, I mean, I've never argued with any of them, but you never ask them who's harder to argue with. I would never.
I haven't argued with any of them.
Yeah.
I have just followed my director's directions. So
Which of these three, or when you're in each of these roles, which of these challenges you the most?
Directing. For
Yeah?
sure. Yeah, it's tougher, yeah. It's very tough. The comedy is a very tough art form. Comedy is tougher than acting. 100%. 1000% tougher than acting. No question. Right? Comedy rewards are instant. Comedy बहुत ही solo art form. It's very lonely art form. Directing is about trusting people.
Yes.
That's the toughest thing with directing. As a director, you have to trust 200 people blatantly, and 10 of them will disappoint you, and then you have to re-guide them and fully trust them again. That, if you spend 18 years as a comic, that's very tough to do,
So
is to relinquish control.
thank you so much for dropping by today. All the best for Happy Patel. 16th
Thank
of
you.
January in cinemas all
Yeah.
over the country.
cinemas, yes.
Amazing.
Thank you.
Amazing.